in our interview corner, let's discuss few basic Java interview questions. Let's begin. Why is Java a platform independent language? Java language was developed in such a way that it does not depend on any hardware or software. Due to the fact that the company compiles the code and then converts it into the platform independent bytecode, which can be run on multiple systems. The only condition to run the bytecode is for the machine to have a runtime environment, that is JRE, installed in it. Why is Java not a pure object-oriented language? Java supports primitive data types like byte, boolean, char, short, int, float, long, double, and also it's not a pure object-oriented language. Pointers are used in C or C++. Why does Java not make use of pointers? Pointers are quite complicated and unsafe to use beginner programmers. So Java focuses on most on code simplicity, and the use of pointers can make it challenging. Pointer utilization can also cause potential errors. Moreover, security is also compromised if pointers are used because the users can directly access memory with the help of pointers. Thus, a certain level of abstraction is furnished by not including pointers in Java. Moreover, the use of pointers can make the procedure of garbage collection quite slow and erroneous. What do you understand by an instance variable and a local variable? Instance variables are those variables that are accessible by all the methods in the class. They are declared outside the methods and inside the class. These variables describe the properties of an object and remain bounded to it at any cost. All the objects of the class will have their copy of the variables for utilization. If any modification is done on these variables, then only the instance will be impacted by it, and all other class instances continue to remain unaffected. Local variables are those variables present within the block, function, or a constructor or can be accessed only inside them. The utilization of a variable is restricted to the block scope. Whenever a local variable is declared inside a method, the other class methods don't have any knowledge about the local variable. Tell us something about JIT compiler. JIT stands for Just-in-Time Compiler. The compiler is nothing but a translator of source code to the machine executable code. What is special about the JIT compiler? Let's see how it works. First, the Java source code, that is .java file, will be converted to the bytecode, that is .class. Occurs with the help of Java C compiler. Then the .class file are loaded at runtime by JVM with the help of an interpreter. These are converted to the machine understandable code. JIT is a part of JVM. When a JIT compiler is enabled, the JVM analyzes the method calls in the .class files and compiles them to get more efficient and native code. It also ensures that prioritized method calls are optimized. Once the above step is done, the JVM executes the optimized code directly instead of interpreting the code again. This increases performance and speed of execution. A single try block or multiple catch blocks can coexist in a Java program. Explain it. Yes, multiple catch blocks can exist, but specific approaches should come prior to the general approach because only the first catch block satisfying the catch condition is executed. In this case, if x was greater than 0, then the first catch block will get executed. For loop runs till I equal to 1 and the array index till n minus 1. So, the exception get erased, so second catch block get executed. Explain the use of final keyword in variable, method and class. Final variable. When a variable is declared as a final in Java, the value cannot be modified once it has been assigned. If any value has not been assigned to that variable, then it can be assigned only by the constructor of the class. Final method. A method declared as a final cannot be overridden by its children classes. Final class. No classes can be inherited from the class declared as final, but that final class can extend other classes for its uses. Can the static methods be overloaded? Yes. There can be two or more static methods in a class with the same name but different input parameters. One memory, stack or heap is cleaned in garbage collection process. It's a heap memory. What is the main objective of garbage collection? The main objective of this process is to free up the memory space occupied with unnecessary and unreachable objects during the Java program execution by deleting those unreachable objects. This ensures that the memory resource is used efficiently, but it provides no guarantee that there would be sufficient memory for the program execution. Let's